Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about GPUs, so get ready to dive into the world of GPUs. So grab your popcorn, and let us get started. So, what is a GPU? Many of you have heard the word graphics card, right? Don't think of them as GPUs. Actually, a GPU is the main part of a graphics card, which is a silicon-based processor specially made to accelerate graphics rendering. The structure of it is quite similar to a CPU, but there is a fundamental difference in microarchitecture, the core. Why should we use them? Basically, the GPU typically contains relatively more cores than the CPU. However, a single core of a CPU is significantly more powerful than a core in a GPU, but for parallel processing purpose GPU can do more tasks at a time. So what does the parallel processing means? Suppose builders are making a new house, the painting of a house, furniture installation, plumbing, and electrical work all happen at once, creating a symphony of construction that swiftly brings your dream home to life. This is called parallel processing. Rendering the picture on our display involves simple but a huge number of mathematical operations. So, rendering graphics using the CPU would result in all the potential of the CPU's cores getting wasted. We would end up with all those operations waiting in line to be solved, resulting in a waste of time. Hey race where we need a graphics card that contains thousands of cores to perform these simple mathematical operations simultaneously. The ability to do thousands of tasks at a time is crucial for rendering a three-dimensional world. So, basically, for better graphics quality and faster graphics rendering, we need a GPU. Now, let us talk about the types of GPUs. GPUs can be divided into two types, integrated GPUs and dedicated GPUs. Integrated GPU. This kind of GPU is directly embedded alongside the CPU, on the main system motherboard. The hardware of this GPU uses system memory, shared with the CPU instead of having its own memory bank. As it's built into the processor, it generates less power and heat. It can be seen in smaller form factor systems like laptops and Intel nukes. Now, let us see what a dedicated GPU is. It's a little different from an integrated GPU. Its hardware contains a separate processor. Discrete graphics have their own dedicated memory that is not shared with the CPU. Unlike integrated GPUs, it consumes more power and generates a significant amount of heat. However, it provides higher performance than integrated graphics. Discrete graphics cards are most commonly found in desktop PCs and is typically attached to a PCI Express slot. Laptops and small form factor PCs can also contain discrete graphics cards. There is another graphics card called external graphics card which is connected with the Type-C Thunderbolt. So what are the use cases of GPU? GPUs are used for 3D image rendering and graphics rendering. Besides graphics rendering, they are also used for machine learning, deep learning and cryptocurrency mining. So, that's it for today. I hope you've learned what a GPU is and why we should use them, and what makes them different from CPUs. If you have any questions or something to share, please leave us a comment and provide feedback in the comment section. Until next time, thank you, and happy coding!